What if discipleship wasn't just information, but transformation? At Kingdom Restorers, our training centers are more than classrooms. They are equipping hubs where sons and daughters are activated in their identity, trained to walk in authority, and released to bring restoration wherever they go. We believe every believer carries kingdom DNA, but many have never been taught how to steward it. Our centers exist to close that gap. Through spirit-led teaching, inner healing, deliverance, and hands-on equipping, we prepare people to live from heaven's perspective. Not just in ministry, but in every sphere of influence. This is about restoring the blueprint, awakening leaders, healers, prophets, builders, and intercessors who carry the heart of the King into broken places, because kingdom restoration starts with a restored heart and continues with a restored commission. The harvest is ready, but harvesters must be healthy, whole, and equipped. We're raising up a remnant, trained, tested, and full of the Spirit. This is more than training. It's kingdom restoration in motion. Find your place. Be equipped. Join the movement.